everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Link 4 Modbus modules in under 10 minutes. This quick demo will show you how easy it is to install, from unboxing to turning it on in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. Let's start the timer and begin with the unboxing. Inside the box, you will get the module. This is our 8 relay output module. These are the relay outputs. These are the digital inputs, I2C input, common port, and 24-volt power supply. On the top, you can see the default address, which is 134 for this module. You can change the address if you want by opening up the module. Let's open it up really quick. It is very easy to open. You just need to push out the latch and it will get open. Inside the module, you can see the dip switches here. You can change through the dip switches. Right now, I'm using the default address, which is 134 for this module. Before installation, you need to make sure you set the switches to the auto position. There are 3 positions: auto, off, on. Along with this, you will get the power supply. Module can turn on with any 24-volt power supply. It will get connected to the jumper wire like this, and this end will get connected to the module. Let's connect like this. Another necessary item is the RS485 adapter, which will get connected to our module. It has A, B, and ground plug. Let's connect. A is high, B is low, and it will get connected to the module like this. Let's start with the installation. I will plug the power supply to the switch to turn on the module. Let's turn it on. It gets turned on. And I will connect this to the laptop. It gets connected. Now go to the website link4automation.com. Here you can see the button download demo code kit. Here you can see the 7 steps instructions. First you need to install Python, which I already installed. Then you need to open the command prompt. Let's open the command prompt. Then verify Python installation. Let's verify. Then install the py Modbus. I will remove the version number .xx. Then verify the py Modbus installation. Again remove. You just need to copy and paste. After verifying, come here again and download the demo code. Let's download. Then open the idle Python and open the code file. Here you need to enter the port number and the device ID. For port, go to your device manager. Under the ports, you can see USB serial port COM10. So I will write the COM10 here. And for device ID, I'm using the default address, which is 134. What this code will do is that it will turn on relay 8 for 5 seconds, then it will read the values, and then it will turn off all the relays and then closed. So let's run the file. See, 8 relay is on and it will get turned off after 5 seconds. If you want to turn on one or more relays, let's do that. I want to turn on the second relay too. So I will write turn on relay 8 and 2. This is the binary number. 0 means off and 1 means on. So 1, 2, second relay. Let's add the comment and again run the file. So you can see here 2 and 5 turned on for 5 seconds and then turned off. If you want to have a different time, let's say turn on relay 2 for 10 seconds, then we can do that. Turn on relay 2 for 10 seconds. For 10 seconds, turn let's run the file again. See, 8 turned off after 5 seconds and 2 is still on. It gets off after 10 seconds. Alright, so you can see how easy it was to install and turn on. It took me only 7 minutes from box to install. You can try more modules. Go to our website linkforautomation.com and try more. Thanks for watching.